Alright, good morning YouTube. Today is October 5th, Tuesday morning. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's been going on with the 230i. It's been running pretty good, all but one thing. Just replaced this fuel tank purge valve, fuel tank vent valve, whatever you call it. It has a few different names. The reason why I replaced that was because the engine was running a little rough at idle. When I would come to the red light, it would drop around 500 RPM or below and almost stall the car out. But I looked into it a little bit and it just was a simple fix, just a $90 part right here. Just need one tool. All I used was a pick to get a few of the little locks loose. Take this out, this right here, and this is just a little holder for it. And then just slide it right out and replace it. And that fixed the idle issue. The only other problem I had was somewhere down here with the coolant hose. There was a coolant hose that snapped right off, but that was replaced and all good. It's this hose right here actually. This hose right here goes down into the cylinder head. It takes up a lot of heat and dry rots real fast. That broke and snapped off within like 45,000 miles, I'd say. Snapped off right here and the same spot to the cylinder head. But other than that, everything's been running great. You know, it's cheap, easy fixes. The coolant hose was under warranty. I'm sure this would be under warranty, but I'm not in the mileage anymore. So I just went ahead and bought off ECS tuning and installed it. Like I said, it took 20 minutes, $90 part, and the car's running perfect again. But yeah, these are the aftermarket pipes. Got the charge pipe and the intake to turbo pipe. But yeah, running strong.